Hello everybody and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your trains in OpenTTD. Now I've got to a point on my game where I've got to 1960 and we're currently using these steam engines, a lot of the Ginzu trains, and diesel has just come in. So if I go ahead over here and look at the new vehicles, we can see now that I do have the UU37 diesel engine, which is obviously much better than the Ginzu in terms of its speed and its power. And in order to mass change my Ginzu engines over to the diesel, all I need to actually do is come over here to the trains tab, and you can see I currently have 19 trains in circulation, all of them being Ginzu engines. And what I want to do now is click on this button here, which is Manage List. And if I hold down on that, you can see that it says Replace Vehicles, Send for Servicing, or Send to Depot. I'm going to press the Replace Vehicles button. And that's going to bring up this tab here, which is the Replace Trains. I'm just going to make that a little bit bigger for us. And you can see here on the left that I currently have the Ginzu selected. If you have other engines as well, they will be shown here. But as I've only got one, we only have Ginzu here. And I can basically select this and select the one that I want it to change over to, which in my case is the UU37. And then all I need to do is press Start Replacing Vehicles. And that is now, over a period of time, going to start replacing these trains, providing I have the money available, which I've got plenty of right now. There's no shortage. So as we now see, these engines will begin to start replacing themselves. I will just fast forward through a little bit here. So you can see that this one has now just changed itself over into a diesel engine. And we've already had one change there, but we might potentially see another one. But eventually these will all begin to change over in due course. They don't all do it straight away. It is a system here. But you can see as we go along that more and more of these have now changed over into Ginzu trains. We've got plenty there. If I go over to my train list again, you'll actually see now that a good portion of my trains have already changed over. But that is how you mass replace your trains in OpenTTD. I hope this tutorial has helped.